In this video, we'll learn about interacting with the map, whether using the mouse or the controls on the top and bottom right of the screen. Change the base map or the background map at the top right. Plenty to select from. You can even take the base map away entirely. Zoom in and out with the plus and minus controls, or just use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Left click and drag to move around. Click the bullseye button to zoom to your current location. You might need to click the lock next to the URL at the top and allow your location to be shared. You could set it to always ask first or block this function entirely. Zoom back to the full view of the state by clicking the New Jersey button. Your location stays on the map until you click the bullseye again, though. Let's say you want to measure a distance or the area of a building or a plot of land. There's a button for that too. Zoom in to the area in question, click on the ruler here and select Create a New Measurement. Then trace the object by placing points. As you go, the distance of the path you're creating will be calculated here. If that's all you're looking for, stop here. Once you click Finish Measurement, your lines become a closed shape, and you can see the area in acres and the perimeter in feet. This object will stay on the map until you click it and delete it. You can also draw multiple objects onto the map. There's no limit. If you navigate to the boundary layers and turn on Parcels, you'll see the block and lot of each one. Click on a parcel to reveal some other basic information, or use the link here as a jumping off point to Parcel Explorer. Here you'll find a ton of information about each parcel, like tax records, planning info, preservation status. Alternatively, you can right-click on the parcel and click Parcel Explorer, and this does the same thing. You don't need to have the parcel turned on for this other approach. I hope this video answered all your questions. If not, please contact us with the form on our homepage or email us at njmap@rowan.edu. Take care.